Alright, today we are gonna talk about this Ulefone 18T, and there are two parts of this video. I actually have done this intentionally. In this first part, we are gonna talk about the most interesting features of this Ulefone 18T. This Ulefone 18T comes with integrated thermal imaging, and this time Ulefone have actually partnered with FLAR, and Ulefone have added professional grade FLAR Lepton 3.5. MyFLAR is a professional and powerful mobile application for thermal imaging, and Ulefone have added this MyFLAR application into this Ulefone Power Armor 18T. Let me show you some magic. Look at this. This is a bottle of frozen water. Check the temperature and check the temperature of this glass of hot water. Oh my gosh, this is really cool, and this is really very important for people who wanna have this thermal imaging option. This is quick and effortless problem solving. The integrated FLAR thermal imaging camera on the Power Armor 18T smartphone provides a new perspective to diagnose problems more easily, and it actually saves a lot of time. Ulefone Power Armor 18T comes with Lepton 3.5, which actually has better thermal resolution of 160 by 120. FOV is also wider than before. It's 57° horizontal and 71° diagonal. The scene dynamic range is -10° to 450° Celsius in low gain mode. Operating range is -10° to +80° Celsius. Remember, +80° Celsius means way too high temperature, and as this is a rugged smartphone, it can actually go through that. The second thing I like about this Ulefone Power Armor 18T is this one comes with a Dimensity 900 SoC, and this is a 5G enabled smartphone. So I'm connected to internet at a very fast speed because this one supports 5G. Not only that, this one supports Wi-Fi 6, which means this one is future proof. I think almost all the other brands are only offering Wi-Fi 5, while Ulefone is offering Wi-Fi 6. This Ulefone Power Armor 18T comes with a FHD Plus display panel, and the display panel is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Also, Ulefone Armor 18T comes with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, which is expandable to 17GB of RAM and 2TB of storage, because we can expand the RAM and we can add a TF card up to 2TB. That's amazing. Finally, before you start the second part, Ulefone Power Armor 18T comes with stock Android 12 out of the box, and as far as I know, Ulefone always offers major Android updates and provides a long-term Android security patch update. This is great to have Android 12 out of the box. Now it's time to start the second part of this review. What's up everybody, welcome to another rugged smartphone review video. Now today I have this Ulefone Armor 18T. I know a few days ago I have just reviewed another Ulefone rugged smartphone, that's Ulefone Armor 17 Pro, and it doesn't mean that Ulefone Armor 18T is a direct replacement of that smartphone. It's more like Ulefone is covering all the areas, all the segments of rugged smartphones. Like Ulefone Armor 17 Pro, this Ulefone Armor 18T also got something special and unique. Today I have got this Ulefone Armor 18T along with the Armor case. As usual, I always get this Armor case for all the Ulefone smartphones, but there are some other things that I have also got inside this package. I have got this Endoscope E1 and two other extra accessories. I'm definitely gonna talk about these extra add-ons, but before that, what we have to do is to do the unboxing. Yeah, I always like to do a proper unboxing of every Ulefone smartphone, and this Armor 18T comes in another nice packaging. So let's see what things we have got inside the box. Well, before the unboxing, as usual, one request: if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button, and please subscribe to this channel. Please subscribe and support honest content. As usual, Ulefone always uses the same design, but it's really a premium packaging. It looks different than any other brands. Ulefone got their own unique design, outlook and appearance. This Ulefone Power Armor 18T is IP69K, IP68 rated. Not only that, this one is also military standard 810G rated. So yeah, it can go through some harsh environment and some harsh use case scenarios. After opening the top lid, there is an envelope. It says Ulefone. Inside this envelope or package, there are some paperwork, Ulefone Armor 18T user manual, instructions of phone charging, warranty card, thermal imaging camera user manual, safety prompt card, multifunction instructions. Well, this Ulefone Power Armor 18T comes with a thermal imaging camera built in its rear camera block, so that's a real great thing. Thermal by FLIR. Put all the paperwork aside. Wow, look at this. Ulefone, as usual, have provided a tempered glass screen protector. I don't know when will the other brands start following Ulefone. Ulefone is actually setting the standard and raising the bar. Let's put the smartphone aside for a while. Let's check what things we have got inside the box. It's almost the same as usual. There is a single loop lanyard loop, a very good quality USB-C to USB-C charging cable. I personally truly love this yellow colored charging cable. And this one is not only a good looking cable, this one is also a very premium flagship class USB-C to USB-C charging cable. What I like about Ulefone is they're pushing themselves every day. With every new smartphone they release, they do something new and unique. They put themselves in a better position with better accessories, with better build quality. Look at this. This is a 66 watt PD charger. I really don't know which other brands other than Ulefone are providing anything more than 33 watt. Not only this, 66 watt wire charging, 18T supports 15 watt wireless charging, and this one also supports 5 watt reverse charging. Think about this. You have a set of earbuds which supports wireless charging, and you have a Ulefone Power Armor 18T which comes with a 9600 mAh battery. How great it will be. And as this Ulefone Power Armor 18T supports reverse wireless charging, how many times can you recharge your earbuds? Yeah, I feel so very comfortable, and it gives me these soothing feelings that I will never have to use a cable to recharge my smartphone and my earbuds. Kudos to Ulefone for integrating wireless charging, and even they have added reverse wireless charging. Well, it's time to unwrap this newest rugged smartphone, the newest beast, Ulefone Power Armor 18T. As I've been already very excited about all the accessories, I think I've forgotten to mention that this Ulefone Power Armor 18T comes with an 108 megapixel Samsung ISOCELL HM2 main sensor. There is a thermal imaging sensor, thermal by FLIR, and not only that, they have also added a macro camera, a 5 megapixel macro camera. The selfie camera is also a very good one. Ulefone have used a 32 megapixel Samsung GD1 selfie camera. There are many different rugged smartphone brands which offers many different type of rugged smartphones, and those smartphones are available on the market, but I always look for Ulefone because Ulefone comes with something unique, something different, something better than other. I really like this design language, and altogether it doesn't feel or look like any cheap rugged smartphone. This is a premium class flagship rugged smartphone, and it not only looks like premium, it feels premium, and it's built with premium materials. Check the number of screws. Check the difference of the screws. There are Phillips screws, there are different type of screws. Ulefone have used premium quality materials, and the side rails or sidebars are as usual built with metal, and the display panel is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Superb. I think I have been looking for or waiting for a rugged smartphone like this one. Something looks premium yet flashy, something rugged yet very lightweight. Ulefone Power Armor 18T comes with a FHD Plus panel. Yes, this is an IPS LCD panel, but Ulefone have been using a very good quality, premium quality IPS LCD panels which are capable enough to reproduce natural colors. This Ulefone Power Armor 18T is no different, and rather this one is even better than any other rugged smartphones in its class. Under sunlight, this display panel goes very bright, and under dim lighting environment, this one goes very dim. Color reproduction is as natural as it can be. White is very bright, black is pretty dark, and altogether I really love this vibrant display panel. And do you know what? This 6.58-inch FHD Plus panel also supports 120Hz refresh rate. What else can we expect from a rugged smartphone? Well, as usual, we are gonna put this Ulefone Power Armor 18T into water for 15 minutes. Let's check whether this water drop test gonna do any damage or not. We will actually play games and we will actually test gaming performance after this water drop test. Well, you have already seen that I have placed this Ulefone Armor 18T inside water for 15 minutes. Actually, it was 20 minutes. We've forgotten to bring it out from water. And as usual, there is no damage. Straight out of the water, and we are gonna play games on this Ulefone Armor 18T. Okay, there are a few things I need to mention about this Ulefone Armor 18T. This one comes with 12GB of RAM and there is an option to expand the RAM up to 5GB. That means altogether we can enjoy up to 17GB of RAM. This one comes with Dimensity 900 SoC, which is a very good mid-range SoC, especially very good for a rugged smartphone. I have tried to play different type of games on this Ulefone Power Armor 18T. I have never felt any lag. I have never seen any issues, but yeah, if you're a hardcore gamer, a rugged smartphone is not for you. If you wanna occasionally play games, any games you throw at it, this one will be able to provide you very good performance. Yeah, I must mention in-game experience is buttery smooth. I'm truly surprised with this performance. And another thing I must mention, that's this display panel. The FHD Plus 1080p display panel of this Ulefone Power Armor 18T offers very good vibrant colors, and altogether gaming on this Ulefone Power Armor 18T is more than fun. Okay, this Ulefone Power Armor 18T comes with a very good microscope camera. And altogether, the rear camera performance of this Ulefone Power Armor 18T is far better than its competitors. It's even comparable with any other mid-range smartphones, because this one comes with a Samsung ISOCELL HM208 megapixel sensor. I have tried to take some photos side by side with some other smartphones. Let's check the pictures and you decide by yourself how good is the performance.
Start again, so stay with me. Together we'll fall apart. I think it's dawned on me that you ain't coming back. I've lost my chance to see us find our way back. And in the end, amidst these trying times, I'll always try to find you.
Well, as I mentioned earlier, I have bought this one with Endoscope E1. There is an endoscope and we can use this endoscope with Ulefone Power Armor 18T. Ulefone Power Armor 18T comes with a dedicated port for connecting other accessories like this one. There are many other different accessories, and yeah, it's really plug and play. After you connect the accessories to the port, it's very easy to use. Inside the box of this Endoscope E1, there is a very nice quick start guide or user manual. They have also added some multifunctional accessories inside the box, but look at this is really a very useful thing. This Endoscope E1 actually comes with a camera, and we can use this one like where we cannot put our camera or smartphone. We can use this Endoscope E1 cable and check the internals. Well, finally, it's time to talk about the battery. This one comes with a 9600 mAh battery and a 66 watt charger. So yeah, not only the battery life is very good, charging speed is also very good. I have managed to play games on this Ulefone Power Armor 18T for 12 days after one full charge. That's not only massive, that's more than massive. That's ludicrous, really. Who would believe this? Also, there is another thing I have already mentioned. This one supports 15 watt wireless charging and supports 5 watt reverse wireless charging. My Ulefone Power Armor 18T can recharge a Google Pixel 7 Pro. 1.8 times without any issues. Well, usually I used to carry a rugged smartphone as my secondary drive, but now I think I'm ready to carry a rugged smartphone as my primary drive. This Ulefone Power Armor 18T comes with all the features that a smartphone should carry. And yeah, this one comes with a few features which no other smartphones offers at this price point. If you really want to get all the features of Ulefone Power Armor 18T in another smartphone, then you have to spend at least twice of what Ulefone Power Armor 18T costs. So yeah, definitely Ulefone Power Armor 18T is one of a kind, and for sure this one is the best in its kind, period. If you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button. If you have loved this video, then please subscribe to this channel and support honest content.
I've lost my chance to see us find our way back, and in the end, amidst these trying times, I'll always try to find you alive.